Today guys, I'm sharing with you my animal print tutorial featuring mermaid scale glitters from Charlie's Nail Art. So first off, I use China Glaze, spring in my step, a single layer of polish as my base coat, just for my gradient. A lot of people use white, but I like to use one of the colours that's in my gradient. And then we apply the liquid latex, which I'm using is from Beauty Big Bangs. This just saves up on the cleaning process afterwards because a gradient can be quite messy. The three polishes I used were China Glaze, Spring in My Step, Bottoms Up and Rose Amongst the Thorns. I apply each polish onto a makeup sponge. This helps me create the gradient effect. Then apply it to the nail, sort of dabbing it on. Make sure that you wait in between applications because it can pull up the first sort of layer. So just dab, 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 dab. And then we peel off your liquid latex. And as you can see, there's very little for me to clean up now. Just a little bit around the cuticle area. So I take some nail polish remover and my brush and just give that a quick clean up. Ready for the next step. We have the Mermaid scales from Charlie's Nail Art. I've got a discount code, NGF15 for 15% off. Next up, I've applied a gloss top coat, just so when I apply the glitters, it sort of sticks, and obviously it makes life so much easier. So as you can see with the dotting tool, I'm just sort of creating little patches. I think about 3 of the scales I'm using to create like the leopard spot. And like I say, if you've applied a gloss top coat, it just makes the application of the scale glitters so much easier. But you do need to be quick because it does dry. But obviously you can reapply a bit of polish in the area which needs working on. So just keep placing the glitters wherever you fancy. And then with a Barry M black nail polish and the dotting tool, I go around the edge of the glitters, outlining them to give you the animal spots. It's fairly easy to do. You can use a dotting tool or you can use a nail art brush. I find a dotting tool is a bit better because it gives you a thicker outline. So once you've gone around each of your glitter areas with your black, I then go in with sort of little dots and sort of smaller lines just to finish off the animal print look. And then with a matte Barry M top coat, just go over it. Just make sure that your black is dry because it will smudge. And there we go. That is how to do an animal print gradient.